Trimming Bougainvillea is tricky. It's a thorny plant. But with the right hacks, you can do it safely and easily. Let me show you how. First, prepare your essentials. A big trash bin with a wide opening. Thick rubber gloves for protection. A long arm trimmer to reach high branches. Preparation is key to trimming safely. Don't throw branches directly into the bin. Cut them into small pieces first. This keeps your bin neat and prevents thorns from sticking out. Cut one branch at a time, arrange them on the ground, and then trim into smaller pieces right away. This system makes cleanup faster and more organized. Always be cautious. Bougainvillea thorns are sharp. That's why thick gloves are a must. Protect your hands while handling branches. Cut immediately while the branches are green and soft. Once they dry, they get harder and tougher to trim. Work on them fresh, it saves time and effort. And that's how you trim Bougainvillea the smart way, safe, simple, and efficient. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening hacks.